Want to make money fast with a big blog? In this video, we're diving into part 2 of the best growth hacks to rapidly grow your audience. Keep in mind, building a successful blog takes time, but with the right strategies, you can speed things up dramatically. One of the fastest ways to accelerate growth is by using growth hacks. These are simple, effective techniques to promote your website without waiting months for word-of-mouth traffic. A top example is influencer marketing. Here's how it works. You partner with someone who already has a large, engaged audience in your niche. Imagine a YouTuber getting 500,000 views on every video. You reach out and they mention your blog in their next upload. Just like that, your site could get hundreds of thousands of visits in a single day. This kind of exposure can completely transform your blog's success overnight. The tricky part? Finding the right influencers and convincing them to promote you. One easy solution is to offer them payment for their time and effort. It's a win-win for both of you. Another tip is to make your outreach personal and relevant. Don't just spam influencers. Show them exactly how your blog adds value to their audience. A well-crafted approach can dramatically increase your chances of success. Another option is to find an influencer who's approachable and happy to give you a shout out. Some influencers just enjoy helping out or collaborating for fun. You can also offer to trade value, work on a project together, or use your skills to help boost their success. For example, if you know how to build apps, reach out and offer to create an app for them. They'll likely feel excited and appreciated, and in return, they may promote the app, and you could even split the revenue 50-50. If getting an influencer's attention is tough, try hiring them for a service or purchasing a product they offer. This gives you a natural reason to interact, and they'll be more likely to respond. Meeting them in person, if possible, can also make a huge difference. Real connections go a long way. Another powerful growth hack is finding the perfect route to market. If you create an outstanding blog post and share it in the right place, like a highly relevant forum or subreddit, you can drive a massive influx of traffic from just a single link. The secret is making your content interesting, unique, and highly relevant to that audience. Do this right, and you can generate thousands of clicks. Some visitors may subscribe, while others might even make a purchase right away. And remember, it's not just about the traffic, it's about turning those clicks into loyal readers, engaged followers, and paying customers. Consistently applying these strategies compounds your growth faster than anything else. Let's dive into a super fast guide to SEO. Any serious internet marketing training wouldn't be complete without covering it. SEO, or search engine optimization, basically means optimizing your site for Google. The goal is to make your website more likely to show up in search results when someone looks for something related to your content. SEO isn't a quick fix though. It takes time, effort, and there's never a guaranteed payoff. You can spend hours tweaking your site and building links, and sometimes the results are slower than you'd like. That said, you can speed things up with a systemized approach. For example, publishing a new post consistently, like once a week, or even outsourcing the work can help. Consistency and quality are key. Here's the key idea. Google looks for content that matches what people are searching for. When someone types a query, Google scans its index and displays the most relevant results. To build that index, Google uses spiders, programs that crawl the web by following links. Every link pointing to your site acts like a testimonial, and the more authoritative the site linking to you, the stronger that endorsement appears to Google. Additionally, internal linking matters. Linking your own pages together in a logical, helpful way helps Google understand your site's structure while also keeping visitors engaged longer. The longer people stay on your site, the more Google sees it as valuable. Combining strong content, smart linking, and consistent posting gives you a much faster path to ranking higher in search results. Your goal is simple. Fill your site with high-quality content that Google sees as relevant and earn links from the biggest, most important sites. Often, this means working with influencers or reputable brands. But here's the crucial part. Don't try to trick Google. Avoid spamming, keyword stuffing, or paying for low-quality links. Google is smart enough to catch it, and you could be penalized. Instead, focus on building a site that top influencers and authorities are proud to associate with. Ask yourself, Does your brand look as professional and trustworthy as the top competitors online? If not, invest in improving it. One quality link from a trusted site is worth far more than dozens of low-quality ones. So, who does Google trust? Sites with authority, think.gov and .edu domains, older websites, and well-known brands. If you get a link from one of these, your SEO gets a huge boost. Even a link from a site that itself has links from authoritative domains can still give you a massive lift. Think of it like degrees of separation. Another tip, watch for sites that Google features in its news section. If Google trusts them enough to highlight them, that's a strong signal for you to aim for links from that source. It's also important to create content that naturally attracts links. Original research, in-depth guides, or useful tools are far more likely to be referenced by other sites. Combine this with your outreach and influencer connections, and your SEO can become twice as effective in half the time. Focus on quality, relevance, and relationships. These are the real keys to building long-term search engine success.